Thank y'all for all the feedback that I got on my last post where I broke down how to shoot a video by yourself. One of the questions that I received the most was, what was the waterproof magnetic camera that I used to get these shots? And that camera was this, the DJI Osmo Action 4. I wanted to make a video about it because number one, I ain't a gatekeeper, and number two, I think it has a lot of professional features that an independent artist could use. The camera can shoot in 120 frames per second in 4K and 240 in HD for those smooth slow motion shots. The body is magnetic so you could get real creative with your angles, and it's waterproof, but I can't swim so I just tested it like this. Plus it's so small, when I played a role on the TV show Wicked City, I used to bring it with me on set to get behind the scenes footage, and I tuck it away when they yell action. You probably heard of the company DJI because they the manufacturer of some of the most popular drones on the market. I just shot this video. I was operating the drone at the same time. I just pulled over in a random parking lot, pulled out the drone, said I felt like shooting. They also manufacture the DJI Pocket 3. I like the Pocket as well, and I shot one of my most popular music videos, Maria, with an older version of it. I directed and edited that one too, by the way. Still can't believe we snuck in a funeral home for that. But I feel like the Action 4 is much more durable. Hold up, I ain't do that on purpose. I would never drop my camera to prove to y'all that it's durable, but it is. Plus, it comes with an extendable monopod that I use for shots like these when I don't feel like using my drone or carrying a big ass tripod. Now, those are some of the things that I like about the camera, but there's so many more features, so you can look it up for yourself and see if that's something you want to fuck with. I put a list of all the equipment that I used in the first episode on 3dnot.com, and since y'all seem to be interested in shit like that, I'm gonna keep adding to that list. Now, if you into technology and gadgets like I am, feel free to put me on game in the comments. Tell me what you shoot with or what type of equipment you've been looking at buying. And make sure you stay tuned for the next episode of Life in 3D. And Lady of Rage, I saw your comment. Definitely gonna take you up on that offer to be on the show, so don't do me like Varnell Hill when I pull up on you. You heard me? Y'all be good.
I am real. Oh, man. Hey, gotta get out of here, man.